Hi, my name is Billy Turnbow with Cisco Tech. Today I'm going to provide the necessary steps before an IM and Presence subscriber node can be reinstalled. There are a few reasons you might need to rebuild the Presence subscriber node. The subscriber relies on the database and configuration provided from the publisher node. If something should happen where the subscriber fails to work properly, a rebuild may be the quickest and easiest way to restore functionality to your cluster. If your subscriber has any of the following symptoms, a rebuild may be necessary. The Cisco DB service fails to start. The CLI is inaccessible either from the VM console or through SSH. Database corruption where some services fail to start, or DB replication cannot be completed. Unreliability of the server. Please open a case with Cisco Tech if you have any doubts about these possibilities. When you have decided to perform a rebuild, here are the simple steps required. These steps should be followed in order. Before you start, make sure the Presence subscriber virtual machine is powered off. First, unassign any users that are currently on the subscriber from the Cisco Unified CM Administration page. Go to the User Management menu and select Assign Presence Users. Click the option to assign all users and make sure the Presence publisher is listed in the drop-down menu. Now click the Save button. This will move all users to the Presence Publisher node. Once this is completed, you can now remove the Presence subscriber node from the Presence Redundancy group. Go to the System menu, then choose Presence Redundancy Groups. Click Find, and then choose your redundancy group. From the Presence Redundancy Group page, you will want to disable high availability. Uncheck the option here, then click Save. Once high availability is disabled, we can then remove the subscriber node from the Presence Redundancy Group configuration by clicking on the drop-down menu and choosing Not Selected. Save the page once again. Lastly, let's go to the System menu again and choose Server. Here, we will remove the Presence subscriber node from the server list. Click on the subscriber node to open the server configuration page. Now, simply click Delete. The server will be deleted from the CUCM cluster. This removes the PKID database entry from the network cluster and will allow us to create a new node with a regenerated PKID that will not conflict with the old node in the cluster. Now just click Add New from the server list page and step through the creation of a CUCM IM and Presence node. You can use the same fully qualified domain name and IP address as the old subscriber node. The only thing that matters to the CUCM database is the newly created PKID. Once the subscriber node creation has been completed, a new virtual machine can be started from the OVA file obtained from Cisco. The rebuild process should be fairly straightforward, and all configuration will come from the Presence publisher. Thank you for watching.